Hi, I'm Jackson, and I'll be showing you how to enter data as an anesthetic user of DIVA. First, we'll log in using our usual network credentials. On the left pane, we see a list of admissions that we've been involved in the last 7 days. If this is your first time using the application, this list will be blank. To enter the data for our patient, we'll click on the admission search box at the top of the screen and enter their NHI. Here we will see the admission that occurred today. Clicking on the admission will display it in the two rightmost panels. Once we have the admission timeline on the right, we can see an overview of the case. Here there's not much to see because we haven't done any data entry yet. To enter our anesthetic data, we'll click on the plus button under Managements and choose the type of management we would like to enter. In this case, I'll add an operative management. Next, we can add the date and the ASA of the case. Here, we can click to add our anesthetic record. Fields in amber should be completed. Fields in white are optional depending on the case. Here we can see that because we disposed the patient to recovery, it's automatically created a recovery record. This record will be filled out by the nurses in PACU and collect some useful information that is collected for statistics. In the previous example, we added anesthetic data to a case under a surgical specialty which is not using DIVA for data collection. For surgical specialties which are using DIVA, the management you were involved in as an anaesthetist may already exist. For example, if I open the same case, here we select the operative management that already exists instead of creating a new one. Notice that the date and ASA, along with the procedure information, has already been filled out and added by the operating surgeon. We can simply click New Anesthetic and follow the same process as last time to add our data. What about other types of managements? I'll add an ECT by clicking New Management, selecting Medical, adding the record, and then searching for ECT. This change should now be reflected in the admission timeline. What about complications? Some complications will be entered by PACU in the Adverse Events column. For other complications, we can add a complication the same way as a management by clicking plus, selecting anesthetic, and then using the code search to find the complication we want to enter. In this case, I'll do a failed intubation. We can then select the severity and assign it to the anesthetic. This has been a quick overview of entering data into DIVA as an anesthetic user. If you'd like to request one-on-one training or have any questions, please contact clinical.audit@otago.ac.nz.